Josh, this could be it. I tried to get something to poke it. It's this, I don't know if this is it or not, but there's a Ziploc bag down here and it's kind of stuck and it looks like there's stuff in it, but I can't tell and I don't really want to touch it. So you have a stick, the stick is a little bit, this thing is like it's stuck. I don't know if it's trash, but it's kind of like it's wedged in there, I think.
No.
Oh, well. I couldn't get it. I tried to move it and I couldn't. Well, it was a fail. Whatever. Okay, we'll try. I just didn't want to touch it. So like so many people, we've been sheltering in place for a couple months now here in Navarre, Florida, and we're getting a little stir crazy. It's a beautiful day. We really wanted to get out and have some fun and do some exercising, so we thought going geocaching safely would be a good idea today. So come with us as we go do that.
Alright everyone, before we start on this adventure, we want to remind everyone to be smart, be responsible, and
stay at home if you can. But if you're super antsy like we were, because we've been staying in our RV for over 2 months.
We've only left to go to the grocery store, but it's time to get out, exercise. We need to lose all this weight that we've gained in this quarantine. So we're going to go out, we're going to go ride some bikes, keep our distance from everyone, and we're going to geocache responsibly.
And we're only going to be going to areas we know there's not many people, so we can stay away from others and just be as careful as possible.
Alright, so let's go!
It's a beautiful day out. The beach, or excuse me, the bridge that goes over to the beach is just like a mile away. So they've started to open the beaches here in Florida, you know, but we're trying to do our part and sort of avoid crowds and sort of stay away from people. But we thought, you know, there are some bike paths and a lot of open areas over there, so we thought we would go for a drive. And we know there's some geocaches, so we brought the bikes. We're gonna do a little bike riding.
A little biking, a little geocaching.
Get some sun, some fun, some exercise, and do it safely. So, yeah, let's go have a good day. So we like riding around here looking at some of the cool houses because they're basically built on a giant sandbar, and you can see that a lot of them are on stilts because of the, you know, flooding from the ocean and all that. But there's some really beautiful ones, like that one right there I think is one of my favorites. And just riding around here looking at them, it kind of makes you wish you had a beach house, right Josh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So maybe that's a dream for the future.
Alright, we're here and still in Navarre, and we're going to go find another geocache here. This one's pretty simple to drive up. Actually, I think it's right around this area here. But as you can see, not a lot of people around, so social distancing geocaching, we're doing it. Let's go. Let's look on some coordinates here. Last time it was found was in March.
So, if you haven't noticed, check out this sand if you've never been to this area. If you've never been to this area before, look at this sand. It's pretty amazing. It's like baby powder. And there's a lot of this sand everywhere, so it sounds like we might have to dig. It's been a little windy here lately too, so who knows, sand can move around a lot, obviously, in the wind. Josh, this could be it. It's this, I don't know if this is it or not, but there's a Ziploc bag down here and it's kind of stuck and it looks like there's stuff in it, but I can't tell and I don't really want to touch it. So you have a stick, the stick is a little bit, this thing is like it's stuck. I don't know if it's trash, but it's kind of like it's wedged in there, I think. Oh, well. I couldn't get it. I tried to move it and I couldn't. Oh, it was a fail, whatever. Okay, we'll try. I just didn't want to touch it. Whoa, get there. I found it!
That's it. You got a pen?
Yeah, we have brought our own pen,
Well, check it out.
even though there's some in there. All kinds of cool stuff
All
in
kinds
there.
of stuff in there. There's like a little piece of paper there.
We've got some hand sanitizer here afterwards, so be careful.
All right. Cool cache though, cool find.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna log it, and that makes 900 finds for us. Good job, Luke.
Ooh, hand sanitizer. 900 finds.
900
yeah.
finds. Hey everyone, thanks for coming along with us on this adventure here in Navarre as we found our 900th geocache. Wow, that's a lot of geocaches. We're not always about the numbers, we're about the story of getting there and the adventures that we have along
And the
way.
scenery. This has been one of the most scenic areas we've been to. It's so cool with the dunes and the blue water, so it's a really memorable geocache for us.
So while you're out there geocaching, just make sure that you do it smart and responsible this year.
Yeah, stay safe, bring your hand sanitizer, you know, keep your social
All the proper
distance,
gear.
all that good stuff.
Yeah, be smart, read previous logs to see who's been there before you.
Yeah,
And just be safe out there and have fun, okay?
that's what it's all about.
All right, we'll see you on the next adventure.